boy Toby here. It's your boy. Hey guys. So today I'm gonna be telling you all about my friends and all about my life. It's when I was like blah 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 blah. So I'm gonna start with my friends. So my friends I'll tell you about my friends and how I got them and stuff. Actually, I don't know how I got them. So I first got my friend is Archie. He's my best mate. I've just got Riley and Jack and loads of other people, but yeah, they're my 3 best friends. And I have NASA, and then I have I have Logan, and I have Sophie. Okay, so that's 6 of my friends, and I got them. They all play with me. They all make me good. They all get me better. If someone's they'll stick up for me. Sophie, she'll definitely stick up for me. I like her very much. She's my second favourite friend. Actually, no, I don't know. They're all my favourite friends, okay? So, yeah, they're pretty to still play with me. Kind of subscribing. Sophie plays boy games. Pretty much she's a tomboy. I don't know. So, this is about my life. So, I grew up. And my mum and dad told me in the middle of the night, I would wake up just screaming my head off until I got my milk. And then I'll do it again until I get off to sleep. And then I grew up in nursery. And I live in Birmingham, of course. And went to nursery. I don't remember what the school. Then I went to reception, in Commerce, Farm Primary School, Commerce, and then I went to year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4. I'm in year 4 now, and I'm 9 years old, and I have a lot of friends, a lot. Okay, now I'm just gonna do some things like, I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna do something like, I don't know what to do. Oh, I'm gonna show you my room because I haven't done a room tour. So this is my room, and it's my sister's troll blanket, troll clothes, and then I have a bunk bed, of course, and it's so hard to get up. And I like WWE. I got my WWE pajamas. I got my WWE thingy blanket. I got all my teddies over there, which I'll show to you right now. There. I don't. Foxy, get here. There. All there. And I have loads of things. Like, I had loads of things in my room. I used to have a TV, but then it's gone. It's over there. Right there. Right there. Yeah, but my dad took it down because my other one broke, and now he's got like a really big one. I should show you that. And then, yeah, I've got all my games over there. Yeah, I've got my chair that I do video games with. Mostly play, I don't know what I play. I play a lot of games. I have my wardrobe and my sister's wardrobe. Oh, I'm just getting down on my bunk bed. And then I've my drawer. I have my suitcase. And I'll show you what's under here. And here, just like some games. And then the other drawer is just clothes for my sister. Got John Cena. I got my pillow. And then I got my drawers. You're not looking in there. My pajamas, my clothes, and my other clothes. And then I'll show you what's in my wardrobe. So, loads of clothes. And then in here are my trousers and stuff. So yeah, can't do the video for that long, but yeah. Okay. So sorry if they're loud. No, it's just my washing basket. I'm just gonna do and that's my roof, and that's my bridge, and everybody. I'll do like this. Like oh my. Oh, I got this for my football club I go to. Yeah, that's pretty good. Like that. Shut up, my bucks. Yeah. Okay, I can't do this video for that long. Okay. That's my bathroom, but I'm not showing you that. Because this is having a bath. All my shoes there. I don't like, it's like I'm doing a house tour. Sorry for the loud noise. Yeah, and this is just a big TV I've got. I'll show you the TV. It looks way bigger than it looks on here. Way bigger. I'm a wrestling door. Biggie. Yeah. That's really it. Yeah. But these are 2 TVs. Yep, 1 TV, 2 TV, and a 3 TV. You check out my YouTube channel, Ximzehezmztj. Pretty good. Yeah. So that's how I'm gonna have to rack it up for the video. Joking. No. Should I rack it up? Or should I play? See you guys, I'll make another video about 1 minute. Bye. Peace.